2022 6.4 liter Hemi. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Very, very quiet again. This is what the sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. Right at 93. One more. So we'll let you guys hear it after. All right, guys. So we showed you what it looked like before and sounded before. 2022 POWERWAGON 6.4 Hemi. Liters of power. What is it, Jared? Hemi. Not the power. Hemi power. Come on, man. Say it from like in here. Jeez. So it's still got the factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single 3.5 inch pipe. We replaced the muffler with 3-inch pipe. Still got the factory tailpipe, and then we also replaced the resonator with a pipe there. So muffler delete, resonator delete, and left the original pipe. We tucked it up for him. It looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. There's the resonator that was on it that we cut off, and there's the muffler over there we cut off. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. We've got a 2022 or Hemi 6.4 wagon Ram. Really beautiful truck. We done straight pipes on it earlier. He came back. He didn't like the sound too much. He wanted it changed up, so we changed it up for him. Let him watch some more videos. Got factory converter there and there. Then it winds into a single 3.5 inch. Then what we did is added a FLOWMASTER Outlaw, part number 15430, right there. There'll be a link in the description. It is the longer one. It's not the S. You get a little bit more tone. And then 3-inch pipe. Did a resonator delete on it also. And ran a 5-inch black tip out the back. Right there to clean up the sound and give it a better looking presence, you would say. Right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Ram POWERWAGON 6.4 liter. Now it has a muffler and resonator delete. This is what it sounds like. Go ahead. There we go. Yeah, much better. There's more to it we can do. I like it though. Here's sound decibels. 113. It hit 114 earlier. Yeah, there we go. It's a lot deeper now. Back it up. Yeah. That sounds so much nicer. Wow. POWERWAGON, baby. Much better. Let me have it all Ram POWERWAGON 6.4 Hemi. Go ahead. Your sound decibels. 114. Let it idle. Now it sounds like a truck. Yeah, I needed that. You're right. You got the ear, man. like it. POWERWAGON 6.4 beast. Let you guys hear on the inside. POWERWAGON HEMI, muffler and resonator delete, and it's got the backup sound. You know, it's gonna be a tractor trailer one day. Exhaust statics, baby. See, I'm backing up. Beep, beep. Yeah, much better. Ram Hemi. FLOWMASTer Outlaw 5-inch black tip. No more straight pipe. We did a straight pipe before. He felt like it wasn't enough, so we added the Outlaw. Now it sounds a lot better.